My name is Montina Young-Portis, and I'm the founder and CEO of CIE Media Group. And we help companies rethink business for the digital age, and we help certified businesses win more business. LinkedIn is the most used social media platform among Fortune 500 companies. Just under half of all LinkedIn users are women. It's the #1 channel B2B marketers use to distribute content. And of the 500 million total LinkedIn users and 250 million monthly active users, only 3 million share content on a weekly basis, just a touch over 1% of monthly users. LinkedIn makes up more than 50% of all social traffic to B2B websites and blogs. LinkedIn for Leaders: how certified businesses can leverage LinkedIn to win more business